Welcome back. Osmania University has officially released the notification for the 2026 Telangana State Eligibility Test, or TG-SET. Passing this exam is your primary requirement to step into a role as an assistant professor or lecturer across Telangana. In this guide, we are going to walk through exactly what you need to know to get started. We will cover the specific eligibility cutoffs, break down the scoring system for the 300-mark computer-based test, and walk through an error-free guide to submitting your application. You only need one thing to follow along right now. You need to know the current completion status of your master's degree, or your marks if you are in your final year. Knowing these technical details up front ensures your application actually gets accepted and gives you a clear target to structure your study plan around. Let's start with the academic baseline. To sit for the TG-SET, you must either already hold a master's degree or be actively enrolled in your final year of postgraduate studies. This chart breaks down the minimum marks required in that degree. If you are applying under the general or EWS categories, you need at least 55%. For candidates in the BC, SC, ST, or PWD categories, the threshold is 50%. The timeline maps out like this. The official notification dropped May 2nd, but the critical date is August 3, 2026, when the online portal opens. You then have 2 months to prepare before the examination window opens in October 2026. Clearing those degree percentages and submitting your form within that strict August window is the mandatory first step to entering the academic job market in Telangana. Once you are in the exam hall, you will face a single-session computer-based test split into 2 distinct papers. Looking at this breakdown table, Paper 1 tests your general teaching and research aptitude. It consists of 50 objective questions worth a total of 100 marks. Paper 2 is completely specific to your postgraduate subject. This section doubles the load, giving you 100 questions worth 200 marks. This brings your exam totals to 150 questions and 300 marks, all of which must be completed within a strict 3-hour time limit. There is one specific scoring rule that dictates your entire strategy. The TG-SET has 0 negative marking. Every correct answer earns you 2 marks, but incorrect answers do not deduct anything from your score. Because of this, leaving any question blank leaves points on the table. Since there's no risk to guessing, your primary focus on test day is time management. You must pace yourself to ensure you physically see and answer all 150 questions. When that application window opens in August, do not just click in and start typing. The portal uses session timers, and pausing to search for files halfway through will lead to a timeout and lost data. This checklist shows the 7 exact items you need saved on your computer beforehand: a passport photo, a digital signature, your PG certificates, your community certificate if applicable, your Aadhaar card, an active email ID, and your mobile number. Go ahead and pause the video right now to take a screenshot of this list. Gathering these files into a single folder on your desktop turns what could be a stressful, timed process into a simple 5-minute data entry task. With your files ready, the process on the official website is straightforward. You will start by completing your initial registration and then proceed to fill out the core application form with your academic details. Next, you will upload those digital documents you just gathered and process your examination fee payment through the portal. Finally, you will submit the application. The system will immediately generate a confirmation page. The most common mistake candidates make here is closing the browser window before downloading and saving that final confirmation PDF. You must save this document. It contains your unique application number, which is the only piece of information that will allow you to download your hall ticket when October rolls around. Once that PDF is safely stored on your hard drive, your application is secure and you are officially registered for the 2026 exam. Your immediate next step is to go back to the TG-SET website and download the specific syllabus for your chosen PG subject from the 30+ options available. Start a daily routine of practicing previous papers and mock tests. Building your speed now is how you survive that 150-question marathon later. If this breakdown helped you, please like the video and share it with your PG classmates. And make sure to subscribe to Chemistry Educational Academy so you have all the updates and strategies you need to launch your academic career. Thanks for watching.